In a bowl, go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce. I like using very with sesame seeds. Now go ahead and add some ginger paste. Next, go ahead and add about a teaspoon of sesame oil and like about 2 tablespoons of real maple syrup. Give it a good stir. Take some of the marinade out and reserve some for later so that you can have some for drizzling. And now just go ahead and pour the larger amount into your Ziploc bag and marinate your salmon. Go ahead and squish it up, get the air out, and then you can marinate it for a while. Okay, I went ahead and got some broccoli already and a half an onion, and I partially cooked the yam like 4 minutes in the microwave, and I got a yellow squash. Chop your veggies, put them in a bag, shake them up with some olive oil, and get them ready for the oven. To make it extra good, go ahead and drizzle on some fresh lemon juice. Now sprinkle with some sea salt and then go ahead and add some fresh parsley all over. Put them in the oven at 425 till they're crisp tender. Now I've added a little bit of coconut oil to the bottom of my frying pan, and I'll be putting my salmon fillet in now. Flip it once, cover it. It only takes like 10 minutes. The veggies are done. I put the salmon in the middle of the pan and it's ready to serve. This was a delicious, healthy meal, and if you have extra, go ahead and put it in your Pyrex dish that you can have later this week. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.